Good morning. This is your girl Candace Duff coming at you all the way live from a not so sunny South Florida. I'm here to talk to you today about part 2 of my series, Why Every Business Owner and Attorney and Coach and Consultant and Speaker Should Write a Book. And that reason is that books make great lead magnets. If you're new to email marketing or marketing in general, you might be wondering, what the heck is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is actually what we call in the industry an ethical bribe. And it's a reason for people to sign up to your mailing list. And if you own a business, or if you're a coach or a consultant or an author or a speaker, then you know, even an attorney, that having people on your mailing list is one of the best ways to cultivate clients. One of the best ways to get people to know, like, and trust you, to get to know you, right? Because people need to get to know you before they sign up for your services and know what you're about. So a great way to get people onto your mailing list is to offer them something as an incentive to join your mailing list. And an ebook or any kind of book actually makes a great lead magnet. I typically use my report, 13 Ways to Write a Book, which is an ebook, to get people to sign up to my mailing list. But you can use any kind of book. You can use, for example, if you're an attorney, you can use a book giving people practical tips of what they should do if they get into a car accident, or practical tips about what they should look for in a coach or a consultant or a lawyer, or 10 practical tips if you're a speaker in your area of expertise. So putting together an ebook doesn't have to take a lot of time, but can help you grow your mailing list. And the importance of growing your mailing list is the money, as they say, is in the list, right? Some people say that email marketing is dead, but I'm here to tell you that it's not. And it's the only real estate that you own as opposed to somebody else. So if you're relying on things like LinkedIn and Facebook and other social media instead of your email to help you grow and cultivate a client list, you run the risk of, that not working after a while. You run the risk of people changing the rules, the people who own the social media, because you don't own that real estate. So it's really important that you write an ebook or something that you can give away to people to get them to follow you.